Hello Internet, I'm Dane and this is Making a Man Cave. We're going to be today building a dust box for the miter saw here. Essentially it's just going to be a box that encompasses the back half of this. We're going to have two sliding doors to be able to open up when we need them and close them to keep as much dust in as possible. We're going to put a little hole in there so we can put a vacuum to suck up as much dust, because right now we're in a small basement and whenever I use this, basically the whole basement gets covered in dust. So let's get started. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the channel, because every subscription that I get proves to my wife a little bit more that this is not just a waste of time. Thanks. Okay, so everyone's measurements are going to be a little bit different, but essentially you're going to be measuring from this rail, or basically where the blade starts, to the back of the unit, which is back here. And you're going to want to go just a little bit wider or deeper than that. You're going to measure the width from the widest point to the opposite side, and then the height from where the base is all the way up to the top. Essentially where that rail is, if you go up, you're going to want to measure a little bit higher than the highest point here. All right, so as you can see here, my measurements are the height and the width are both 26 inches and the depth is 14 inches. So I have to cut one board at 26 by 26 and three boards at 26 by 14. In addition to that, I'm going to cut four 2x2 boards at 26 inches to place on the inside of the box for structural support. Where you can see the blue line is slashed with white, that is where you would not be able to see the rails from this angle. Finally, I'm going to cut two 2x2s, shown here, at 26 inches in length, and then I'm going to make a track in both of them for the doors to slide in. My doors are going to be 13 inches by 19 inches, and I'm of course going to need two of those. Now on my unit, as you can see here, I have these little knobs to adjust these rails, so I had to make little cutouts in the 2x2. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. If it is a stupid question, I'm going to respond sarcastically. It's just the way I am. I can't help it. It is an addiction. One thing that I am going to be doing, as you see here, if you just pull this straight out, it gets caught right there. So I'm going to still do a little bit of a cutout here. And in the future, I'm going to create a little hole here so I could put a little vacuum attachment so that when I'm cutting, it's sucking out as much dust as possible. But other than that, works pretty well. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. Bye.